guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make easy necklace. Yes, here we have our materials. We have crystal bead. This is size 8 of crystal bead. We have our seed bead. This is size 3 of seed bead, and we have our thread or fishing line. Then we have our earring hook. I'll be using this type of earring hook. So cut enough thread, that will be enough for you. So first I'll take the earring hook. I'll fix it. So this is it. Then next I'll put 3 seed bead on each of the thread. I'll put 3 here and another 3 seed beads here. So this is it. Then I'll take 1 crystal and interlock. You can see I'll use one and interlock. I'll go ahead and put another 3 seed beads here and another 3 seed beads here, and I will interlock with 1 crystal. I will still put another 3 seed beads here and another 3 seed beads here and interlock with 1. So this is it. This is how it will look. So this time around I'll put 7 seed bead on this one, 7. Then this one I'll put 4. I'll put 7 here, I'll put 4 here. So this is it. I have 7 seed beads here and I have 4 here. So now I will interlock with 3 crystals. I will interlock with 3 crystals. So this is it. Here is 7 and here is 4. Then you interlock with 3 crystals. So I will put another 7 seed beads here and I will put 4 seed beads here and interlock with 3 crystals as we did here. So this is it. We have 4 seed beads here and we have 7 here. We are interlocking with 3. So now I will put 8 seed beads here and I will put 4 seed beads here, and now I will interlock with 4 crystals. So this is it. I have 8 seed beads here and I have 4 and I have 4 crystals. I will use the 4 crystals to interlock. I will go ahead and repeat the same procedure. I will put 8 seed bead here, I will put 4 seed bead and I will interlock with 4 crystals. So I will go ahead and interlock. So after interlocking it, this time around I'm going to put 9 seed beads here, 4 seed beads here, and I will interlock with 5 crystals. So this is it. We have 9 seed beads, 4 seed beads, and we are interlocking with 5 crystals. I will go ahead and repeat the same thing again. So this is it. Then now I will go ahead and put 10 seed beads, 4 seed beads, and I'll interlock with 6. So this is it. We have 10 seed beads here, we have 4, and we have 6 crystals. I will go ahead and interlock. This is how it will look. I will repeat the same thing. I'll put 10 seed beads here, and I'll put 4 seed beads, and I'll interlock with 6. It. I will go ahead and interlock. This time around, I will put 11 seed beads here, and I'll still put 4 seed beads here, and I will interlock with 7 crystals. This is it. I will interlock. I will still go ahead and do the same thing. I'll put 11 seed beads here, 4 seed beads, interlock with 7 crystals. So this is it. This is what we have here. So this time around, I will go ahead and put 10 seed beads, 4 seed beads, and I will go ahead and interlock with 6 crystals. That's how you start decreasing it. After doing 10 seed bead, 4 seed bead, and 6, you do it twice. Then you do 9, 4, you cross with 5, then you do 8. That's how you do it until you get to 7. Down the 9 seed bead and 4, cross with 5 twice. This is the 8 seed bead, 4 seed bead, cross with 4. This is the second time. So I will go ahead and do 7 seed beads, 4 seed bead, cross with 3 crystals. I'll also do it twice. So as you can see, I've reached the 7th. The one who put 7 seed beads, I've done it already twice. So now I will go ahead and repeat what we did here. After doing the 7 bead and 4 crystal twice, so now we'll go ahead and put another 7 bead here, another 4 seed bead here, and I will interlock with only 1 crystal this time around. I will do it again. I'll put 3 seed bead here, I'll put 3 seed bead here, and I'll interlock with 1 crystal. As you can see here, 3 seed bead, and I'll go ahead and interlock with 1. I will repeat it again. I'll put 3 seed bead here, 3 seed bead, and interlock with 1 crystal. So this is it. This is it. I will go ahead and fix the hook now. We have fixed 1 hook already, if you remember. So I'll go ahead and fix the other side of the hook. Fixing it, I will use stopper. Yes, I will use stopper. I will use stopper to do it. So I will first pass the thread through the 2 stoppers. I will pass it through the 2 stoppers. So let's see. So this is it. I passed the thread through the stopper, as you can see. So I'll now go ahead and put the hook this way. Can you see? So now I will still pass this 2 thread through the stopper again. So as you can see, yes, I pass it through. So this is how it will look. You can see, you draw it, make it tight. Then I'll use plier. Yeah, make it tight. So I will now use plier to press down the stopper. I'll press it down so that it will hold the hook. So as you can see, I have used plier to press down the stopper. Yeah. So